Hi guys, Renee here with Thai Caliente, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a popular Thai soup called Tom Yum. So Tom Yum is a kind of a spicy sour soup. It's traditionally made with shrimp, but I'm going to be making it with chicken today because that's what my daughter prefers. And it's flavored with aromatics like fresh lemongrass as well as kaffir lime leaves. So these have a very strong citrusy scent to them. So this is what's going to go ahead and give Tom Yum that iconic citrus flavor as well as some fresh lime juice. So let's go ahead and get started on the recipe.
Okay, so I'm gonna start off with some fresh lemongrass, and I'm just gonna take the back of my knife and just kind of pound it gently. This is gonna help release some of the oils and flavors from the lemongrass. So these are kaffir lime leaves. You can find these at your Asian grocery store. Again, I'm gonna just take the back of my knife and just pound it just to release some of the aroma. You can also kind of scrunch it up with your hands to release more of the oils. And then here we're just going to go ahead and slice up some white mushrooms for the Tom Yum. Now I'm going to get one Roma tomato and just cut it into about 1/2 inch chunks. We're also going to slice up some yellow onion as well. In a stock pot, go ahead and add your water and aromatics, the lemongrass, lime leaves, and I'm also using some cilantro. Just keep it whole and then we'll remove it later. And add your sliced onions, tomato, and at this point, if you want it spicy, you would add some chili peppers. I apologize for all the steam, but once your broth has been simmering for a few minutes, go ahead and add your sliced chicken breasts, and we're going to go ahead and bring this back up to a boil and let it cook for about 10 more minutes. Once the chicken has been cooking for about 10 minutes, we're going to go ahead and add our sliced mushrooms along with some fresh lime juice and Thai fish sauce. Start with about a tablespoon, then taste the soup and see if you need additional lime juice or fish sauce to your liking. Since I didn't put any chili peppers in the soup, I'm going to garnish my individual bowl with this chili garlic sauce. Go ahead and ladle your Tom Yum into a bowl for serving, and then we're going to garnish it with some fresh cilantro. And there you have it, a homemade bowl of Tom Yum Gai soup. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Please leave me any comments below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.